na. Hello there. Hi, what are you doing around the streets this late at night?
I'm just looking for something to eat.
Want to go eat with me?
Sure, just put your head like this.
Okay.